Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. It has been a really long time. I have frequented the Dollar Tree a few times, but most of the things that I have been picking up has been stuff like Ziploc bags, hairspray, stuff like that. I hadn't really seen anything in my Dollar Trees over the last few months that I felt like was anything new or exciting to show you. So I was really hoping that when they started putting out the fall stuff, they would have some good stuff. Now, they just started putting fall stuff out in my stores, so I'm hoping that it will get better. Still haven't seen a lot of new things, but I did see some things that I was looking for last year and could not find. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that so that you can see that this was like the best find ever. When I stopped, the lady at the store had told me that she actually had just put this stuff out. But I was able to get these pumpkin wreath forms, and I do have two of them here. I went ahead and grabbed two because I had seen some people last year putting these together back to back and then putting like a floral arrangement in the center. I wasn't really sure what I'm going to do with them. May just end up making a wreath, but you can see how big these are. Pretty good size. So I did pick up two of those, and along with that I went ahead and got some deco mesh. I have got a lot of leftover deco mesh from last year, but I didn't have it out, so I couldn't really tell. I don't really know how much I had. And if I do decide to do the deco mesh for the pumpkin, I am going to be using all orange, and I know I didn't have enough orange, so I went ahead and bought 9 rolls. Now I think that I'm probably going to, depending on how full I want it, you could possibly use more deco mesh on this than you would the standard ring, just because of how many of these that you have. And they do it look like they hold quite a bit, so until I actually get to doing it, I won't know how many I'm going to need. But I did go ahead and buy, like I said, 9 of these. It is the fall colors that they've got out, and this does have like the gold shimmer that runs through it. They also had the brown and the gold like they usually do, but I did decide to go ahead and get the green because I will probably put that on the top where the stem is, so that I can have that. Or, I guess you could do brown too, so it's whatever your preference is. But I did get 2 of those. Something else that I picked up that I thought was really cute, they had a lot of these little paint sets, and this is on like a little wood stand here. This is the little truck. Of course, you get only 3 colors of paint, so I will be using either other paint that I have on hand, or I may go out and buy me a little paint palette or something, because I just think this would be really cute, fixed up, and you can do so many different things with this. I am going to take the bottom of this off, and I'm probably going to use it as attachment on one of my wreaths that I'm making. So I really like that. You could also put this, like if you did one of those little flower boxes for your table or something, you could put these on the end of that. And another paint set that they had I thought was really cute was this little scarecrow, and I thought my mother would like to paint that one. We are going to the beach in a couple weeks, and since we're not going to be able to get out and go out shopping and things like that like we normally do, I thought it would be nice to have some little crafts. So I'm probably going to take these to the beach with us, and that's something that we can all sit down and do. And then the last one that I picked up was this little turkey here. I also thought that my mother might like painting that. She just loves little stuff like this, so I did pick up that one as well. Now, as far as the ribbon, I have to say that they do have different ribbon out than they did last year, and I'm really glad because, I'm kind of tired of seeing the same ribbon over and over again. But just to show you, this wide, anytime they have wide ribbon, it's almost always wired. I really like this green ribbon. This is a really beautiful color of green. You could use this for Christmas or fall, whatever you want to use it for. But I just like how it's just a really neutral, earthy type green. So I did get, I think, 2 of those, because anything that I can use versatile for fall and Christmas, I wanted to go ahead and get 2 of. So I got 2 of those. I also got this burnt orange. I think this is an absolutely gorgeous color. I don't know how good you can see it with the glare, but it is just really, really pretty. So I got that. The other one that I picked up was this really pretty, kind of like a plaid, and it's kind of maybe cream, maybe. It's not really whiter, but it's like plaid, and it's more like a berry color. It's not really red. And the lighter color is more like a cream color. And if you can see on the edges here, it kind of looks like the natural, not twine, burlap, whatever, but it's the natural color, and I really like how they did that. And then I did pick up some of this leaf. I'm wanting to say they did not have this one out last year. I could be wrong, and I may have this in my stash. I know they did have some leaf ones out, but I don't think that it had like the gold outline. Again, I could be completely wrong, and it's just been such a long time since I've went through my stuff. But I did go ahead and pick that one up as well. Oh, and I did get 2 of these plaid ones also, you know, because I figure I probably will be using that for Christmas. Now, I did buy some of the thinner ribbon, and this one I thought was really cute. It has the little owls on it and some leaves. And then they had the same pretty burnt orange. I got that. And then this one is just the natural color. So I picked up that one. Something else I picked this up on the way out in the checkout line. This is just the Goodies Ouchless purse pack. These hair ties, I always get these for my girls whenever I see them, because they run through these like crazy and they're always losing them. And Goody is a very good name brand. I like the Goody products because they're very tight, and sometimes you know, when you pull on these that are the cheaper brand, they're just too stretchy and they just don't hold your hair as well. So I did pick up a pack of those. I'm almost done. I don't have too much more to go. I did buy this the other day. So I saw these little ring phone holders. I've actually got one on my phone right now that I use all the time, but it's just a green one with a ring. This one's a little cupcake. I thought that was really cute. They had a pineapple. They had a donut. I want to say they may have had 1 or 2 other ones. I cannot remember, but I did get the little cupcake. I thought that was cute. And these things hold really well. And then I got some more, I never can figure out what you call this tape. My mind is completely blank. I don't know why, but anyway. I got some more of this tape here, and this one is really cute. These are just little ducks. I really like that. And then this one here is like a little fox, little hedgehog, just like little woodland type animals. The little owl. Yeah, a little tree and everything there, but those are just really so cute. I love woodland animals. That's something that I've incorporated into my fall decor over the last couple years, is the woodland theme. I've bought me some little mushrooms from Hobby Lobby, and I like to set those out. I've actually even used those in my Halloween decorations. I've got some wood discs that I like to use, along with some of the stones, and just, you know, different things to make it look kind of outdoorsy. But I know that's an overshare of too much information, but anyway, I do like to decorate like that. And then I picked up some of these detailing scissors. I really love these scissors. I had a pair that was like had like the yellow handle that my mother's cousin gave me when I got married. They look almost identical, and I use those little scissors for everything. But she did give them to me in like a little sewing kit, and it's just really perfect for snipping thread and things like that. So I did pick me up a pair of these, and they're nice and sharp too. And then I got me some of these little stickers here. I don't know if I have these already at home or not. I just like them. I thought they were really pretty. You can do different things with them. I really like the colors. And then I got these little gummy bears. I thought those are really cute. They are kind of like see-through. So they really, this is really a good design for this particular type of sticker, because, you know, gummy bears are kind of like jelly anyway. So it kind of looks like little jelly stickers. So I did get those. And then the last 2 things that I got was these Buggables. Now, I have already used these because I did buy this like a week or 2 ago. But they're little bands that's like mosquito repellent, and for whatever reason, I do not know, bugs absolutely love me, or insects or whatever. And I have been doing a lot of outside yard work. And when I go in the evenings, because that's the only time it's cool enough for me to actually go out and work, that's when all of the mosquitoes are out. And for whatever reason, I could wear pants, it doesn't matter. They're going to eat me up. And so I ended up buying 2 of these, and I put one around my around each ankle. I should have gotten 4 and put one around each wrist as well, but they actually work. I mean, I still got bit, but not around my ankles and feet. Where I got bit was other places that I didn't have it. So, anyway, even if you do get bit, you won't get bit as much. And this is citronella formula. It's DEET free. There's lemongrass in here, and then also citronella oil. So anyway, they have different colors. I did pick up 2 of those. If I go back, I may end up picking me up some more. These would be great to toss into a picnic basket or something if y'all happen to be out and about, especially, you know, in the summertime when all those insects are out. So that is all that I have from my Dollar Tree haul. I hope y'all all are doing great. I hope y'all are making it through this hot summer that we're having, and I'm kind of getting excited for fall, so I hope you are too. And just continue to stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.